Hello, my dear students. Good morning. I hope you all are well and safe at your home. Today, we are going to do our poem. That poem name is The Little Dog. Poet name is Alan Fisher. Okay, this is the poet name. Here, don't you think it's probable that beetle, bugs, and bees talk about a lot of things? You know, such a things as these, the kind of weather where they live, in jungles tall with grass, and earthquakes in their villages whenever people pass. Of course, we will never know if bugs talk very much at all because our ears are far too big for talk that is so small. So here first we will do here our rhyming words. Okay. First passage bees, these. Huh? Then second phrase grass. Second stanza pass. All small. These are rhyming words of this poem. This poem is about insects and nature. In nature, we have many types of insect. That poet is talking about that insects. It's how the insect will feel when they were in jungles. Okay. Now we will move to this poem's passage. Okay. This poem summary is like this. In this poem by Alan Fisher, speaker thinks that little creatures like beetles and bugs and bees may talk a lot among themselves. She asks whether you, the reader, think so too, that little creatures may talk about the weather where they live. They may talk about the grass, which to them would look like a tall jungle. They may talk about earthquakes. When a human being walks by, it must feel like an earthquake to these tiny insects. But then writes the poet, we can never be sure whether they really do talk among themselves or how much, because even if they did, it would be too little for our big ears. We would not be able to hear the very low sound of the insects. Okay, Alan Fisher, poet, is here. He speak about little creatures like beetles and bugs and bees. वो क्या बोल रहे हैं वो सभी बातें करते हैं किसके बारे में? वेदर, creatures, tall grass and earthquakes. When earthquake happens, जब भी उनके बाजू में से ह्यूमन बीइंग्स जो जंगल में से गुजरते हैं तो वहाँ पे उनको कैसे फील होता है? अर्थक्वेक हुआ जैसे फील होता है. Then they talk about grass. Which grass? Jungle grass. How was the jungle grass? Tall jungle grass. They talk about tall jungle grass and weather and earthquakes. Okay, now poet is speaking to us that insects are speaking among themselves, but sometimes they can't. वो कभी कभी बातें नहीं करते होंगे. If they were talking, we cannot listen that one because we are big from the insects and we are here also far from them. हम बड़े भी हैं, उनके सामने हम कान लगा के तो नहीं सुन सकते. So हम उनके बातें, if we would be too little for our big ears, we would not be able to hear the very low sound of the insects talking. Okay, this is the summary of this poem. Already we ticked rhyming words. Then you have to do true false. Okay, first why we are going to learn this poem? To respect and value other form of life. हम सिर्फ ह्यूमन बींग्स लाइफ को ही हम रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करेंगे, इंसेक्ट्स जो भी छोटे छोटे जीव होते हैं उनको भी जीने का हक बनती है. वी हैव टू रिस्पेक्ट देम टू. To appreciate the little things in nature. While we are moving or watching the nature, we have to respect all small things and insects too. Okay? Respect nature. Now come to the exercises. True or not true? The speaker in the poem is an insect. Not true. Insects want to know if the weather is good. True. Insects feel that there is an earthquake when humans pass by. Yes, it's a true. We are too proud, too busy to listen to what an insect has said. Okay, yes, it's a true. Now to the complete these sentences. The insect listed in this poem are bugs, bees and beetles. दिस पोएम इंसेक्ट्स कौन से इंसेक्ट्स हैं? बग्स, बीज एंड बीटल्स. द ग्राउंड शूक एज इफ देर वॉज एन. शूक मीन्स शेक का पास्ट टेंस है शूक, हिल जाना, हिलाना. हाँ, आर यू फेल्ट दैट अर्थक्वेक? आप अर्थक्वेक समझते हो बच्चे? चिल्ड्रन, माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट इज अर्थक्वेक? एनी टाइम यू फेल्ट दैट वन? Okay, sudden shake of ground is called a earthquake. Earthquakes. The poet feels that insects talk. Insects talk. Scene poem. The kind of weather where they live. In jungle, tall with grass and earthquakes in their villages whenever people pass. This is scene poem from our poem part from textbook only. Write two plurals, villages and jungles. Write of rhyming words from this scene poem. Grass, pass. What would the bugs feel when people walk past them? जब लोग बग्स के बाजू में से घूमते हैं तो वो क्या फील करते? The bugs feel earthquakes in their village. वो जो एरिया में रहते हैं उनको क्या बोला है बग्स ने? विलेज नाम दिया है. उनको कैसे फील होता है? विलेज जैसे फील होता है. ओके डियर चिल्ड्रन, आई होप यू ऑल आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर योर एनुअल एग्जामिनेशंस. नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट आवर एनुअल एग्जामिनेशंस. आवर एनुअल एग्जामिनेशंस विल बी ऑनलाइन. देयर विल बी ओनली MCQs type of questions. No writing part is there. Behalf of writing part, that 15 marks, I am taken all MCQs from your textbook only. उसके जो 15 मार्क्स बचते थे वो भी हम टेक्स्ट बुक रीडिंग में से ही आपको दे रहे हैं. ओके, सो यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर वेल. यू हैव टू रीड होल चैप्टर. आपको पूरा चैप्टर रीड करना है, सिर्फ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स मगअप करना नहीं है. चैप्टर के बीच में भी हम आपसे क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे. सो यू हैव टू रीड होल चैप्टर एंड यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर फॉर MCQs टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. आप MCQs टाइप में अक्कड़ बक्कड़ करके आंसर टिक नहीं करोगे. यू हैव टू रीड दैट क्वेश्चन. यू हैव टू रिवाइज योर चैप्टर्स. आप जब भी रीड करते हो क्वेश्चंस, आप एक बार आप रीड कहाँ से किए हो, ये पैराग्राफ कौन सा चैप्टर के है, कौन सा लाइन में से है. You have to remember that, then only you have to tick the correct answer properly. You will take a time, you will have a time. आप अपना टाइम लेके अच्छे से रीड करके जो भी ऑप्शन होता है उसके ऊपर टिक करना है. नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट दैट. ये तो MCQs का है, मुझे तो सब कुछ आता है. नो, देयर विल बी 4 आंसर्स. It will be confuse you, so you have to read the question properly and answer also you have to read properly, then only tick the correct answer. Okay, I hope you all are preparing well at your home. See my dear children, you have seen passage and seen passage grammar. Only you don't have a writing part there. Otherwise you will have that 3 parts: grammar, seen passage and unseen passage. टेक्सचुअल जो भी था आपका वो सब वैसे की वैसे ही रहेगा. वोकैबुलरी वाज आल्सो देयर. You have to prepare very well for your examination. I hope you all are preparing very well at your home. Okay, all the best children. Bye bye. Take care.